The man discovered that every word he spoke could only be the truth. When he met his beautiful neighbor, he directly told her what he thought of her and ended up getting punched in the face when he was stopped by a traffic cop and handed a ticket, rattled off all the rules he had broken, and showed the cop a stack of unpaid tickets. He arrived at the office. Not convinced this was real, he decided to try, saying that the color of this pen was not blue. After struggling for a while, the man finally gave in, and it turned out that yesterday had been Fletcher's 5-year-old son, Max's birthday. He had promised to celebrate together, but once again told a lie. Disappointed, Max made his birthday wish that his father would not tell a single lie. One whole day, after learning the truth, Fletcher immediately went to the kindergarten, trying to get Max to make another wish to end this day of truth-telling. Fletcher decided to test it only to get slapped. As it turned out, wishes only worked on birthdays, so there was nothing he could do but endure it. Ace, a lawyer, Fletcher had to defend a cheating woman that day. The couple had signed a prenuptial agreement long ago. During the defense, he could not lie, and every step was torture. Then Fletcher suddenly thought that if the defense attorney got injured, the trial could be postponed. He asked the judge for a recess on the grounds of needing to use the restroom, and the judge agreed. Fletcher rushed to the bathroom, grabbed the trash can, dumped all the toilet paper on himself, then rolled to the toilet, lifted the lid, and slammed it on to his head repeatedly until his mouth was misshapen. He then rammed himself against the wall a few times until he could not move. His screams drew the security guards, who helped him back into the courtroom. The judge asked if Fletcher could continue. Yes. Covered in injuries, Fletcher sat back down, and the trial resumed. But because he could only speak the truth, the case soon turned against the woman. Furious, she grabbed him and cursed him out. Fletcher accidentally learned that she had married at 17. She had lied about her age at the time in order to marry, which meant she was still a minor, making the prenuptial agreement invalid. Under divorce law, the woman was entitled to half of the marital property. Faced with Fletcher's airtight evidence, a judge ruled in his favor. When the judge asked if they agreed to share custody, the woman, hoping to get more assets, sought for sole custody. The two children were reluctant to leave their father, but were forcibly separated by their mother. Watching this unfold, Fletcher suddenly realized that family bonds were more important than anything else, and decided that he would devote more of his time to being with his family in the future.